Hi everybody, and welcome to 3Dsurvey tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to calculate contour lines and later export them. Contour lines are lines drawn on a map with equal elevation points, so elevation would be constant if you follow the contour line physically. They are useful because they show the form of the land surface on the map's topography. To get best contour lines results, we advise you to first classify the point cloud and then calculate regular grid mesh, based on which we are now able to calculate contour lines properly. In the mesh calculation window, we first select our classified point cloud. Then I suggest choosing grid cell size 0.5, the hole filling mode as all, and choose the suiting cell size 1. After that, we click calculate, and when the process is over, we'll be able to see our mesh in the list of meshes. Now we get to calculating contour lines. At the bottom of the menu in the Mesh tab, under Tools, you will see Calculate Contour Lines button, which we click on. First, we decide how big you want your contour interval to be. Usually we choose 1 meter. The second thing to do is select our mesh. We do it by clicking the drop-down menu and choosing it. As a tip, the program will automatically choose the mesh you've opened in the back, so in case you have a bunch, it might be easier to open it first. After selecting both, you click Continue to confirm your decision. As the process is finished, you'll be able to see contour lines were added to your 3D mesh. Every fifth line is the main, so you will see that its color will be brown, while others will be orange. If you export the lines as DXF and import them as CAD, you will see that the main lines will be put into a different layer than the others, and you will be able to change the color and thickness of both. If you want to export them, you must first click Contour Lines tab in the upper right selection menu. Now, you can see all the contour lines that you have calculated in the list of contour lines on the right. Only the selected ones will be seen on the screen. To select them, you just check the box in front of them or uncheck it in case you want to deselect them. If you want to have height shown, just check the box next to it. It's located under the contour lines list. Otherwise, make sure it's unchecked. If you want to delete the contour lines, just check the box in front of the lines that you want to delete and click the delete button located under the list of contour lines. The software will ask you to confirm your choice for each of them separately. But if you know you chose the right ones, you can just click Yes to all and they will be deleted. At last, to export the contour lines, you check the ones you want to export. Keep in mind you can combine them. If you want to export it as DXF, which is a format compatible with AutoCAD, you can click on Export DXF and then decide if you want to export them in 2D or 3D. After you decide, you name the file and save it by clicking Save. You can also save it as PDF by clicking Export PDF and then naming the file and saving it by clicking Save. In my case, I got very smooth contour lines, but in case you are not satisfied with the smoothness of yours, we advise you to repeat the process with a bit different settings. When you are calculating regular grid mesh, set the grid cell size to 1 meter and smoothing cell size to 3 cells. This should give you a much smoother mesh, based on which you'll later get smoother contour lines. This is all for this tutorial. Thank you and see you next time.